Dear students, in our previous videos, we have seen geography first 4 lesson map places. Now let's see 5th lesson, India population, transport, communication and trade map places. First we are going to see National Highway NH44. How we can mark this place? Here, head of India, here Srinagar, nearby Uri. From here to down here, New Delhi, Agra and Nagpur, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Kanyakumari. Actually, this national highway starts from Uri and ends Kanyakumari. Uri to Kanyakumari. In between, we have to mark any 2 or 3 places. It's enough. Next one, we are going to mark Golden Quadrilateral. We know the shape of quadrilateral. Then it is easy to mark this place. Okay. For marking this place, we can remember 4 important places: New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Now we are going to connect easily these 4 places. Enough. Golden Quadrilateral. That's all. Okay. Now we are going to mark major seaports in India. First we are going to mark western side, Gujarat. Slowly come down here, Navaseva. 1 inch down, Mumbai. Then here Goa, Mangalore. In Kerala, Cochin. These are all located in western side seaports. If they ask any one port in west coastal plains, we can mark any one in this west coastal areas. Easily we can remember this Cochin. Now we are going to mark east coastal areas seaports. Here tip of India, Thoothukudi. Then easily we can mark Chennai. Then here Visakhapatnam. Up of this Silica Lake, Paradeep. One small curve is there, no? Here we have to mark Paradeep. Then Kolkata. These are all located east coastal plains. If they ask question any one port in east coastal plains, we can mark easily Chennai, or which place you mark easily, that you can choose it. Okay, easy. Shall we go the next map? In this map, we are going to mark major international airports in India. So international airport, easily we can mark, means we can remember this 4 place. Already I told you, no? New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Apart from this, we can mark Amritsar, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So these and all we can mark. If they ask any one international airport, we can mark easily Chennai or Mumbai. Okay, shall we go to the next map? In this map, we are going to mark densely populated state of India. Densely populated state in India is here, Uttar Pradesh. Here only alluvial soil. We marked already Uttar Pradesh. Then Bihar. Then West Bengal. These are all in north side. In south side, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These states are densely populated states in India. Once again, we remember all these states: Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Shall we mark the next map? In this map, we are going to mark highest literacy state in India. Easily, only one state we are going to mark, that is Kerala. Easy. Shall we go to the next map? Next map, we are going to mark railway zones of India. While marking these railway zones, first, already I told you, 4 important places in our country: New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Direction wise, I'll say to you: North Railway. Headquarters of Northern Railway is New Delhi. Headquarters of Southern Railway is south side here, Chennai. Headquarters of Western Railway is Mumbai, and headquarters of Eastern Railway is Kolkata. The direction we can remember, it is enough. Now we are going to mark another 4 direction headquarters. North Western Railway headquarters is Jaipur. North Eastern Railways headquarters is at Gorakhpur. South Eastern Railway is at Kolkata. South Western Railway headquarters is located Hubli. Now, Central Railway headquarters located at Mumbai. That's all. Once again, I'll recall you: Northern Railway, New Delhi; Southern Railway, Chennai; Western Railway headquarters, Mumbai; Eastern Railway headquarters, Kolkata; North Western Railway, Jaipur; North Eastern Railway, Gorakhpur; South Eastern Railway, Kolkata; South Western Railway, Hubli; Central Railway headquarters, Mumbai. That's all. Now, once again, we are going to recall the map places what we have seen. First map we have seen NH 44. This roadway is connecting north and south. Next, Golden Quadrilateral. After that, we have seen major seaports in India. Western side seaports: Gujarat, Nhava Sheva, Mumbai, Goa, Mangaluru, Cochin. Eastern side seaports: Thuthukudi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradeep and Kolkata. Next, we have seen major international airports in India. Next, Densely populated state of India we have seen. Next one, very easily we can remember this. Highest literacy in India, state Kerala. Next we have seen railway zones of India. All these directions we have seen. That's all. I hope you all understand easily. Practice this map. Thank you. Stay connected for remaining lessons.